Welcome guys to my YouTube video. Today I'm walking out, just leaving my friends on the sea. It was raining a lot. When you can see the skies, it was raining a lot, so I'm heading home. But it's not yet stopped raining. It's just raining a little bit, a little bit more rains, wrong, small rains. So I'm heading out, just going home. Yeah, today we didn't go to any site. We just stayed at the office, try to look for some new content to do, yeah, for new ideas to apply in our business. So yeah, as you can see, I'm leaving. When you can see, the road is so wet. The road is so wet. Kwaheri. So I'm going home. I was saying to my friend, mom, bye bye, and his brother. Example, you can see it has rained a lot. Then behind me, but I see it drizzling. I'll make sure I arrive home before it starts raining again. Yeah, today it was a great day. Shared some few thoughts here and there. Yeah. Oh my God, buildings are coming up here. I wish my phone could zoom, could have shown you one of these construction coming up over there. But let's go. Let's see some buildings that are going up. Yeah, that's us moving down. See the beautiful evening view. It's a beautiful evening view. Yeah. It's a season of raining. Yes, Denzo. Noikroka. Yeah. Chonjo. That guy, man. He's so high, feeling so high. As when it's raining, there is no then. There aren't a lot of people walking down the street because they think it's going to rain. But if somebody right now in the house is still feeling that it's still raining because there's still drizzling. So yeah, oh, that's the building I wanted to show you. But there, it's currently being constructed. I hope you have seen a bit of it because I can't go there, it's so muddy. And see, I've worn white shoes. When the God's grace, because there's tarmac road on this road. So yeah, just heading home, trying to evade this another set of rain that's going to rain again. The only big cars you can see here mostly is matatu and lorries. Oh yeah. Right now it's 6:30, even it's not in the dark. And there are already vehicles have turned out the red because it's already showing signs of darkness because of the clouds. They've covered up the skies. Yeah. Okay, this is a Mazda Axela or Mazda Demio. It's actually a Mazda Demio. When the people have switched on the lights, because that means it's to 7 p.m. So let me just pause because of this people for me. The rainroads have started to build up. They're becoming huge and huge because it was drizzle. Right now they are It's a bit raining more. Don't go with the tarmac, we try to pass to the other route. Then I should be crossing the road. Should try to cross the road because I am passing the other side. Oh my, it started to rain more and more. I should be across the road. Try to pass on this road. Oh, yeah. Please see the condition of this road. It's a bit better because there's stones all over, so I guess my shoes won't get so much dirt. The goodness, the reason that I use this road is because it's shorter to go instead of going around with the tarmac road. Still raining, and you see, I don't want any swear. I don't have any swear on me. Hey, yes, Jambo. Jambo. Oh my shoes has gotten mad, man. Didn't want it to have mud because washing these shoes is very difficult, very tough. I didn't know it was going to rain, but I knew it was the season of raining, but I didn't know it was going to rain as it's showing signs of raining. The time I should have went home, but there's no other way, no other choice. Try my best, make sure they not get mad more than whatever they have gotten. Still getting darker and darker, but on my video I can see the video is better, so I'm trying my best to walk very quickly before it starts raining again. Even if it's almost making me to begin running because the rain is starting to rain. It is going to rain much more. Jambo.
Jambo mingi.
Vieni. So I say hello in Kiswahili. Oh my, which way will I pass? It's a matter of passing through the easiest and find the best place to find, because you can see even that side is so muddy. Have a bit of cold. Jambo. Ni. Oh my. Even if it's not, it is stony. There are some places that are mud, man. The rain still continues to build up, little by little. But I am almost just a few, 2 towns, then I'll be at home. See, it's already dark, already in the dark. I don't know if I switch on the flashlight, but I don't want to create commotion on the road. People start asking, yeah, you're recording. No, I don't want such drama in the road. Oh my. Try my best to walk as quick as possible before it starts raining, building more. Yeah. You can see the houses have started to light up, but most of them, sites like this, they put solar. CCTV camera over there. At least there is a better lighting. The video has good view. I'm almost. Hey yo, oh yeah. Hey yeah. As you can hear, guys, still building up, man. The more I continue moving slowly, the more it's building up even. I guess I'm wet. Feeling wet. I won't complain about the rains. Rains bring good luck because the maize, the crops we grow, is just a matter of adopting with whatever it's bring goodness or badness. It's just a matter of adopting to whatever it brings. That's all. It's so bright. It's better for our security. Almost arriving home. You can see even the mabati. Like mabati. We call the roofs mabati. Even the street house lights are on already. You can see one in front of me. So bright. Actually, it's a solar one. The government is trying to reduce expenses as much as possible. But they are good. They are so bright. I hope they are durable. Long lasting, durable. Oh my. They are alive.